or automatic repair. Your PC did not start correctly, one of the issue. And when you go with the startup repair, it's automatic repair loop. When you go with the startup repair, again you get the error message like startup repair could not repair your PC. So we'll be fixing this issue step by step in a number of solutions. If you guys are not getting help with the first solution, you're gonna try the second solution. The number of steps and the number of solutions I'm going to discuss in this video to fix automatic repair loop. That your PC did not start correctly, or a startup repair loop. Your PC did not start correctly. So why you're getting this error, guys? Maybe you have made lots of changes in your computer hardware. Maybe you have removed your hard disks and replaced with another one, or you might have some of the corrupt files, some of the applications that you have installed into your PC has created a problem, or sometimes you just go on shutting down your computer randomly, and some of the files, registry files issue might have occurred. So follow all these steps step by step in order to fix this issue. So let's begin with the first method. So in the very beginning, so you can see I'll be guiding you guys is the advanced option. You just have to click on this advanced option. So once you click on this advanced option, now you're going to choose troubleshoot and click on troubleshoot. Come down, here you have advanced option, click on advanced option. And now you're going to choose startup repair. So once you click on this startup repair, it will start repairing your PC. So click on startup repair now. Okay guys, you can see this is a startup repair. Computer is going on with this startup repair. So startup repair is really a very useful and helpful. Repairing the disk error, this might take over an hour to complete. So you just have to wait for some time. Okay guys, when you did a startup repair, you can see you got the error message like startup repair could not repair your PC. So you have two different options. If you want to try several other repair, we can go with the advanced option or shut down your computer. So we definitely go with the several other solutions. So click on advanced option. Once you click on the advanced option, you have lots of options to choose. You're gonna choose troubleshoot and then click on that. You're gonna choose advanced option and click on that. You're gonna choose command prompt and click on that. You're gonna choose the user account. So you might be having a multiple number of users in your computer. So you're gonna choose the user. Make sure you have an administrator privilege to the user. Enter the password if you have password for your account and click on continue. And now here you have a command prompt. Okay guys, I hope command is visible. So it is chkdsk/f/r/c:. C is the C drive where I have installed the operating system. So you're going to enter the drive later. So if you have an operating system installed in different drive, you're going to type your drive later. So mine operating system is in C drive. So I hope you typed the command correctly. Even I have left this command in the pinned post comment section down below. chkdsk/f/r/c:. and /r. What /f will do? It will find and repair the error. What /r does? locate the bad sector and recover some of the files that is readable. So guys, you just have to press enter key after you type it correctly. Now you can see it is going on, everything is in process. Just give some time. Doing this might take a pretty long time, so just give some time. Finally, once you're done, you're gonna press exit. So if it asks you for any kinds of permission in your computer like yes or no, you're gonna type Y for yes and then press enter key. So finally, it's all done. You're gonna exit it, and now please start your computer. So you can restart your computer directly, or just turn it off and then you can start your computer. So this was the second method that you can follow to fix the issue. So guys, if this method also did not work for you and still you are having the error message with the automatic repair or the startup repair, proceed with the third method. So third method is, again, if you are getting the same error, you're gonna choose the advanced option, and in the advanced option you're gonna see this page. You have lots of options. Again, you're gonna choose troubleshoot. In the troubleshoot, again you have advanced option. Inside advanced option, again you need to come back to the command prompt, and then you're gonna choose command prompt and click on it. So now we'll be going on with the third method, third process you can follow. So guys, if it asks you for any kinds of username, so you can choose the username, enter the password, and you're gonna see the command prompt. Now type the commands. So guys, you have to type all the commands correctly without any spelling mistake. Okay guys, I hope command is visible, or you can watch it in a full screen. So you can see, even I've left the command in the pinned post, its comment section down below. bootrec.exe/rebuildbcd, and guys, you're gonna press enter key. So this might take some time. Finally, once you're done, you're gonna type the second command. Okay guys, this is the second command you need to type. bootrec.exe/fixmdr. Click on enter. Okay, now the third command and the last command that you need to type. bootrec.exe/fixboot. Fixboot. Press enter key. Some kinds of access denied. So sometimes you get the message like this. So type all these commands correctly, and maybe in your case access is not denied. In my case, is access denied. 2 commands work successfully. Third command, access denied. So anyway, you're gonna type all these 3 commands correctly, and then finally you just have to exit it. Exit the command prompt, turn off your PC, and then start your PC again, or just directly you're gonna restart your computer. So this is the third step, third solution that you can try. Still the problem exists, and you're getting the same error message like automatic repair could not repair. When you go with the startup repair, again it shows the error message like startup repair could not repair. So again you're gonna choose the advanced option. So inside the advanced option, you'll see all these options. You'll come back here, and again you'll go to the troubleshoot, and then you'll go to the advanced option, and then you'll come back to the command prompt again and choose the command prompt again. Now we are going to try the fourth solution. I guess we tried the 3 different solutions. Now this is the fourth solution that we are going to try. So let's go on with the fourth solution. Open the command prompt. So before you open the command prompt, when you click click on command prompt, you might have to choose the username in your computer and enter the password. So go on with that and you'll see the command prompt. Once you open the command prompt, always choose the username with the administrator privilege. So you might have a multiple number of user account in your computer. Finally, now here we are. So what you're gonna do, okay guys, this process is really very helpful. So right now over here you're gonna type some of the commands. By default you're gonna see when you open the command prompt, it will be like x:/windows/system32. Now you're gonna choose the drive. Let's say I'm just going to type F:/ and enter key. Now I'm inside F drive. Why I'm inside F drive? Because I have my all the program files, Windows system32 files in my F drive. I have all the files in my F drive. My operating system is installed in F drive. Let's say you have installed the operating system in C drive. So press C:/ and enter key. So if you have your operating system installed in a D drive, just press D:/ and enter key. So my operating system is in F drive, so I press F:/ and enter key. I am inside F drive. If you are confused, if you do not know what you have your operating system installed, you can randomly type C and enter key, and you can just type dir and enter key. It will show you the full list of files inside that drive. If you have a Windows file, program files in that drive, that means that is the correct drive you have chosen. If you guys are confused with the drive where you have installed the operating system, you're gonna do that. So let me show you how. Currently my operating system is in F drive. So I'm inside F drive. Let's say I'm confused whether have I selected a correct drive or maybe my operating system is in different drive. So I just gonna type dir correctly, dir and enter key. Alright guys, you can see here I have a Windows program files, some recovery files, user, Windows 10 upgrade. That means, alright guys, let me show you. Okay guys, here. So you can see when I'm here inside F drive, when I type dir and enter key, I have a Windows, I have a program files, recovery, users, and Windows 10 upgrade. That means I have selected a correct drive. So the drive which got all these kinds of files like program files x86, Windows 10 upgrade, maybe some of the files less or more, but these files are very important. Program files x86, Windows 10, Windows user. If you have all this directory in your drive, that means you are inside correct drive. Alright guys, let me proceed to the next step. So once you have selected your drive correctly, where you have installed your operating system, the next step is you're going to type cd space. Okay guys, I hope the command is visible. So you're going to type cd space /Windows/system32/config. All the commands you need to type correctly. Press enter key, and now you are inside F drive Windows system32 config. So the next step, md backup. We are making a directory named backup, BACKUP. Press enter key. Copy. So this is the next step. Next command, asterisk dot asterisk backup. So if you are given some different name, you can see it's a backup directory. So we are copying the files to the backup directory. Copy asterisk star asterisk to the backup. Press enter key. Now you can see all the 11 file copied to the backup directory. So you can successfully 11 files copied. So the next step, cd space regback. It's a regback. cd space regback. Press enter key. Now you can see we are inside config. Now we are inside regback. Right over here, you're gonna type dir and press enter key. Okay guys, when you do that, you'll see all the value over here is 0 default, 0 SAM, 0 security, 0 software, 0 system. So if the default value is SAM, security, software, if all the values is 0, so you're just gonna exit your command prompt right over here. Do not proceed, just go with the next step or the next fix. So this solution will only work if there are different value, some 3-digit, 6-digit or 8-digit, 9-digit value over here. Instead of 0, if there are 6-digit, 9-digit or 3-digit, some numeric value over here. Instead of 0, then only proceed forward to the next step. Otherwise, exit the command prompt and then go forward to the next step to fix the problem. So let's say if you do not have a 0 like this and you have some different value, some numeric value, 6-digit, 8-digit, 9-digit or some numeric value like this over here. Instead of 0, then only you type these commands. So what you're gonna type guys, it's copy star dot star space dot and then press enter key. Now it can ask you for the permission whether you want to override default value. So click on yes, no or all. So you're gonna type yes and then press enter key. Again, you're gonna type yes and press enter key. So you're gonna overwrite all the value. So instead of going on one by one, if you like, you can go one by one, or you can just type all. So it will overwrite all the value. So you can see 5 files copied. Now you're gonna exit it and check it out. So exit the command prompt and check it out. Just turn off your computer and start it again or restart your PC and the problem should be fixed. If the problem still exists, still you are getting the automatic repair could not repair or startup repair could not fix, proceed forward to the fifth solution. The fifth solution is guys, again you're gonna choose the advanced option. If you're getting the error message, you're gonna go with the advanced option and then here you'll see this space. You're gonna choose troubleshoot again. In the troubleshoot, here you have reset the PC. This is another method, another thing, something that no. Let's go with another solution. So before you go with the reset PC, click on advanced option. So reset PC is the last option, last solution you can try. So guys, once you go to the advanced, you need to choose the startup setting. Click on startup settings and then you just have to restart. Okay guys, as soon as you restart, you're gonna see this page. Here you have lots of features to enable and disable. So in order to enable and disable, you're gonna use F1 to F9 key. So it's 1 to 9. For F10, you can press F10 for more option. So F1 for one number, for second number you can press F2 key. So right now here the 7th number you can see disable driver signature enforcement. So you're gonna press F7 key in your keyboard. Let me tell you once again, you're gonna press F7 function key. It's the F7 key in your keyboard for the 7th number to disable the driver signature enforcement, and you might be able to log in into your PC at least for a few days, because this fix will not be permanent fix, and this might not work for you, all of you guys, if there are different other reason behind this issue. So guys, this is the 5th solution you can try. If the problem is not fixed, you can come back to the same place, and again you can disable it whenever you like, following the same method. So the next thing, the 6th solution that you can try, you can come back again to the same place. You can go to the advanced option, troubleshoot, and startup setting. So come back to the restart your computer and come back to the same setting page. So the 6th solution that you can try, you can enable the safe mode. Right now it is not in the safe mode currently. Safe mode, you can just enable the safe mode by pressing the F4 key. So currently safe mode is not enabled, right? So whenever you like, you can disable the safe mode. Currently it is not enabled, so you can, since it is in 4 number, you can press the F4 function key. It's a F4 key in your keyboard, and then you can enable the safe mode, and you will be able to log in to your PC in a safe mode. So you can try this method to fix the issue. So this issue is not a permanent fix, but you will be able to log into your computer at least for a day or a few days, and you will be able to access your personal files if it is really very important to log in. So these two couple of methods might not work for all of you guys, but you can give a one try, guys. Just 7th one, press the F7 key to disable the driver signature enforcement, and F4 key to enable the safe mode. Just do one at a time. At first, disable the signature enforcement, and if that does not work, does not help you log in, you can just enable the safe mode and you can log in to your computer in a safe mode. So these couple of methods you can try, and then after we'll proceed to the 7th solution. Still you are having the issue, guys, startup repair, automatic repair. So what you're gonna do, come back to the same advanced option. Here's the troubleshoot, advanced option. You can restore your system. So click on system restore. Currently I do not have any restore point. So if you guys do have a restore point, you can restore your system to a week or a month in a previous time. So you can go back in a previous time. So whatever you just let's say if you have some of the restore point, you just have to click on next, choose the restore point, and then follow the wizard, and you can restore your computer. So your computer goes a week or a month back. So at that point of time, whatever you had in your PC, all the application and everything, if your PC was working fine at that point of time, it will go back to that point of time. So you can restore your system, and this is the next thing that you can try. Currently I cannot restore because I do not have a restore point, but if you do not have a restore point, there is no way you can restore. Proceed to the 8th solution. So the 8th solution is, again you have to come back to the same place, choose the advanced option, and go to troubleshoot again, advanced option again, and you go back to the previous version. Let's say you have upgraded your system from the older version to the newest version, and you are having this issue now. So go back to the previous version is the another features that you can use. So click on go back to the previous version and click on go back to the previous version. This will take you to the previous version of Windows. But sometime due to some reason you may encounter a problem, or a PC will not go to the previous person. It will ask you to try again, or maybe the previous person is not available, or your Windows is nowhere in a condition to get back to the previous person. So in such condition, what you're gonna do, so this method also won't work for you. If it works, you can follow the steps. So, and if it does not work, then you can proceed to the next solution, the ninth solution. So the ninth solution is, again, you are getting the startup repair, automatic repair error. Again, go to the advanced option and then come back to the same place, troubleshoot, and the final and the ninth solution is, guys, resetting the PC. So click on reset this PC. You can keep your personal files and remove everything other than that, and you can reset your PC, or you can remove everything, your personal files and everything, and you can reinstall the window. So resetting the PC means it will reinstall the Windows into your computer, like a fresh start in your smartphone or factory reset in a smartphone. Your Windows will be installed with a new Windows file, and everything will be removed. But if you want, you can remove your personal files too, or if you like, if you want, you can keep your personal files. But if your personal files is in a C drive or something, you just so sometimes there was a problem resetting your PC, no changes were made. So if you are getting a sometime problem, you just have to restart your computer and just try again resetting your PC. See, I'm getting the error message right now. So even if this does not work, there is no way, guys. You just have to get the DVD or a pen drive, bootable pen drive, put it into your computer and completely refresh your C drive, completely clean everything, and reinstall the new Windows manually. After following all these 9th step, it doesn't work. The final steps, that the 10th one you can do is just wipe out everything, get a new Windows DVD or a pen drive, bootable drive, put into your DVD drive or a USB drive and boot a new computer. You can boot a computer again with the Windows 10 files. So that is the final step you can do. So all these different steps to fix the error from start to end. If the different steps work, if the different step does not work, what you guys gonna do. So I hope guys, we should hit the like, subscribe and comment if this video really help and you guys really like it. Have a good day.